Welcome to Easy Thesis. We provide you all the solutions of the challenges you are facing in your PhD program. First and foremost, we have to realize that PhD in itself is very hard and toiling. On the other hand, you have to meet the timelines. And why do you fail to meet the timelines? Just because you don't have correct mentorship and guidance. And here is where we take entry. Easy Thesis has sole motto of helping all the researchers to meet their timelines to complete their thesis work or PLAG report or paper writing or publication. We are here to make your research experience seamless so that you can complete your PhD research work, thesis, paper publication and everything related to it very seamlessly without any trouble and can meet your timelines and fulfill your dreams. On the other hand, after completing your PhD also, we have different programs in which we do paper publication work as well as book publication. You can join us on easythesis.in and learn more about us. You can also contact us on 7007 50603. Hope you will enjoy your journey of research and meeting your dreams soon with Easy Thesis. Thank you.